Scotty, you got the rusty crusty coils out, and look at the pieces where the rubber was. Look brand new. Look at this, boys and girls. So, holy hell, look at, they're supposed to be like that.
Yep.
But they look like caca-poo-poo.
Yeah, to say the least. So
Okay.
now it's...
Now he's got to beat off a rotor. Oh, Scotty's got to beat something off again.
Shock.
It's not after hours yet.
No, but it can be. All you gotta do is close those doors.
I'm out of here. You're not a hot goth girl.
I can put an outfit on.
All right, so yeah, rotor's gonna come off. Once they're off, we can actually inspect those hubs because they are sealed. It's one of those things when on the inspection you really aren't able to do because you're not gonna take, you don't touch calipers and you don't touch that stuff. So we're definitely going to probably get fresh coil springs for the back. That's the easy part.
Yeah.
And what were you saying about the brake hard lines going to the calipers?
Oh,
Are they
God.
that stuck that
yeah,
I'm going to have to build new ones?
I can hold the line and spin the caliper off. I can't spin the line off the caliper because I'll break the line.
So
I disconnected it here and just kind of hung it so that we can measure it out, build one to go on.
All right, so I'm going to have to build those.
Yeah, both sides are completely, utterly gone. They're just gone.
All right, so
those have got to be done. The rear hoses actually look really
new.
good.
They're new. I think those were installed
at previous shop
elsewhere. Yes.
Okay.
But those are done and done right. But I mean, it's like, why do that and not deal with this? Why do you know? I don't understand. Because I've seen the invoice from the previous shop, and I'm like, well, half the stuff's not even done, and then half the stuff's done, but it doesn't make sense. And then don't get me started about the tires that were new but made in 07, so I installed in 21 or 22. 07 tires are not new, people. Anyway, so Scotty's going to work on getting this off, and we'll come back when he's ready.
Yeah. It's going to be a few minutes, guys.
Yeah, you're fighting rust and crust on everything.
Oh, it's been an absolute nightmare.
This poor baby.
And I'm going to have to literally beat the rotor off with a hammer.
Well, you know, if you're into that kind of thing.